Golf Charlie Echo, crossing the active to backtrack 09.
Helicopter Golf Charlie Echo, roger.
Okay, starting the left-hand turn. Visual aircraft on the nose. Helicopter Golf Charlie Echo departing 09 right hand to the south.
Helicopter Golf Charlie Echo, roger to the south.
Visual aircraft and climbing.
I'm hoping that this can just fit in here and listen to us.
Okay, that'd be cool.
So and then I can make a little video of us two flying. So if I just do that and then just plonk this inside. Yeah, that should work. So how do I turn this on? Power on. Cool. Yada yada. Yeah. Okay. Sweet. That works. Let's put this in here out of the way. Right. Yeah. Headsets on, please. Oh, spider.
Take it for a flight.
Yeah. Mine on the string. Excuse me, just put that on for a moment.
All off, that's on, checking full free correct movement.
Around the sides.
Around the houses, friction off.
Pitch is working. Pitch.
Check, check,
Check.
check,
Check.
check, 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 check.
Check.
Hello, hello,
Hello.
hello, 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 hello. That's better. Cool, all's good there. Going to back up, green light is on, governor is off with the light is on. These are all off. Need to check the radio for the moment. Radio's coming on. And you're on the string and you're locked in, yeah, and your harness is good. Righty tighty. Beckles radio, helicopter golf, India Papa Charlie Echo, request airfield information and radio check.
Helicopter Golf Charlie Echo, good morning. Readability 5 on runway 09 at a right hand. Beckles QFE 1016, QNH 1019.
09 right hand 1016, QNH 1019, 09 right hand and readability 5. Golf, helicopter Golf Charlie Echo, thank you.
Charlie Echo, roger.
Cool, strobes coming on, fuel pump, alternators off, mixture's coming on, plasma is on, we don't need to check, do any fuel pumps. Fuel coming on to 5, we are clear right, we are clear left, and starting. Idle, alternators on, clutch is on, we have a positive charge, fuel pressure is on, starter warning light is out within 30 seconds, governor is still on, and we're just waiting for a nice screechy start. Yeah, screechy. There we go, and bring it 2000 engine RPM, get it off the droop stops. Okay, 2000 engine RPM, checking the plasma. No more than 300 drop within 5 seconds, that's good. Plasma's being restored, there's only 170. Engine RPM is restoring back to 2000. Engine RPM, checking the magnetos, no more than 100 drop within 5 seconds. 70, that's good, good magnetos. story. Right, bring it over to the green band. We're looking for 530 RPM. Radio is fucking horrendous.
Roger. Okay, just fly to the power station above 2,000 feet. Station 5. Echo radio, Golf Charlie, Foxtrot Delta.
Come on. There we go, got the block. Going to cold, engine RPM should restore, and waiting for the block to go. There we go. Okay, checking the sprang clutch disconnect.
Taxi to the Alpha.
Amber, horn coming on at 470. There we go, going to idle, going to review main, waiting for a stable idle, and then we're good to go. Checking the DI, that's good. Okay, governor is coming off. Wait, before we do that, let's get our insurance policy.
Student Golf Tango X-ray. Roger, just head east from your present position, and when the wings are level, just line the DI and the compass up again. I will do. I believe the compass. I'm heading east and I see the sea. Roger, just continue.
Okay, governor is coming on, the light is off, friction is on, guarding the collective. We're rolling up to 2,000, then the governor will take control. 2,000, governor has control. We're all good. Okay, door shut. Shut.
Yeah,
You're good to go?
Yeah, good to go.
Cool, right.
Radio Golf, Mr. Delta.
You are chief map holder. Okay, so just so you know what's going to happen, we're taking off in that direction, but we're going to have to do this low sweeping left-hand turn. I don't know if we did that last time or not. And then our first tap is going to be 190, so we're going to be heading 109, sorry. So 109, 90 knots, 500 feet. 2 minutes. Right, lifting. So first of all, power coming off. Pulling to 50%. Checking the disc. Okay, that's 50. Light on the skids. Left a bit, right a bit, back a bit, forward and right. A bit more pedal. We are clear right, we are clear left. Land lights coming on. Let's go. Slowly lifting into the air. Whee! Okay, a bit of wind there. That's clear right. There we go, okay. Let's move over.
Golf Tango X-ray, Roger, yeah, he said that and he's not worried.
Okay, and putting it down again. That hangar is giving us all sorts of wind. There we go, a little run on landing. Friction coming on. We've got to wait, there's that red aircraft about to take off. The radio is so shit.
It's very crackly.
Really shit.
Hear me okay?
Can you put this to your mouth?
Yeah, is that better?
Yeah, way better.
Okay, good.
Yeah, so when we lift, we're going to basically go low level all the way over there, and then arcing left turn, to then take off in that direction.
Alright, cool.
Echo Radio, Golf Echo Delta, lined up, taking off, 09. Golf Echo Delta, Roger.
Helicopters to planes then?
I like both for different reasons. I love pulling G and doing aerobatics, which you could do in that for sure, but not in a helicopter. Okay, let's get back in the air. crossing the active to backtrack 09.
Takeoff to Golf Charlie Echo, roger.
Okay, starting the left-hand turn. Visual aircraft on the nose. Helicopter Golf Charlie Echo departing 09 right hand to the south.
Helicopter Golf Charlie Echo, roger to the south.
Visual aircraft and climbing. You see him is over there. He won't be a threat. Right, first turning point, we're turning on to 109, 90 knots, 500 feet. It's actually those wind turbines over there.
Oh, awesome.
So we know where we're going to go. He's up there, we must not lose track of him. Right, so next turning point. So we're going to turn over here, we're going to turn to 184. So just turning to 184, this just so we keep track of it. DI is so 184, 90 knots, 500 feet, it's a 3-minute 50 leg. And the turning point is we're going to southward, and there's like a here.
Yep.
So we'll probably see it way in advance, but it will be on the coast. We literally cannot miss it. You'd have to be an utter retard to miss it. Oh shit, I've just jinxed myself.
I've kind of jinxed us there, Siam.
Right, can you also be chief stopwatch holder so we just leave it? Yeah, there. I'll rest that. I can put the brightness up. There we go.
It's so fun.
Yeah, can you see the haze that I was talking about?
Yes.
It's not that clear, but yeah, it's not bad, but yeah, there's a fair bit of haze. Right. Okay, turning point in a little bit, so we'll be turning on to 184, 90 knots, 500 feet. 3-minute 50 leg. Be turning by those trees.
Yeah.
Takeoff radar, Golf Echo Delta, clear of your turn, changing from with 326, thank you. Golf Echo Delta,
Okay,
Delta,
stopwatch
roger,
going 3, 2, 1
here,
now,
and
and
have a
7.
good time in the Isle of Wight. Thank you, bye. Bye.
Okay, on track 184, 90 knots, 500 feet. Fuel is good, not leaking anything. Instruments, everything is DI in line. Radio is not talking to anyone, and we are good. And the clock is running. Can you see the jetty?
Yes.
Literally on our nose,
Yeah.
way over there. So all is good.
How far is that in miles?
Let's have a look. So we're travelling at 90 knots, so about 100 miles an hour for about 10 miles.
We move in this.
Sorry?
So we move fast in this.
Oh, we're only doing 90 knots,
I
which is
know.
about 100 miles an hour, but it's just a straight line, isn't it?
Everything's much easier.
Yeah. That's pretty, isn't it? You got beach and then water. Very pretty. Oh, I've got to take a picture. Cool.
Pig farm below us.
Yeah, pig farms and chicken farms everywhere. Oh, I just realised it's on here, so I'm not gonna. Yeah. Oh wow, I can take the kids here. They'd love that.
Oh,
Beach
wow,
and the
yeah.
water bit. Very nice. Yeah, pig farms there. Oh man, So do you mind if you can try and sort out this wire, just like tuck it in? Thank you. Okay, we've got 90 seconds to roll. We know where our turning point is, however, it is in a built-up area, so we're not going to go right over it, we're going to turn before we get over the conurbation. Next turning point is 295, so turning on to 295. Sorry, where is it? 295, 90 knots. The next one is 3 minute 45 leg. And then we're looking for another wind turbine, which probably is over there. We can already see that turning point. Yeah, that windmill that I couldn't find is literally in the middle of the town. Oh, you see that? Sorry, lighthouse. Sorry, wrong word. Okay, DI is aligned, and we're turning on to 295. Okay, 3 minutes. We went for stop, reset. And we're taking that little route there. So turning on 3, 2, 1. Turning. Clock is running and turn. Clock is running, we're turning on to 295. There we go, and just to confirm, so clock is running 245. Yeah, sorry. That way around now. Yep, and it's basically a wind farm over there. And which way now? Heading to, just avoiding the houses. Wow, look at that house there. Oh, gee, fucking min. Who needs 4 tennis courts? Wow. Yeah, that house is mega. Yeah, that house is mega.
It also has a tennis court.
Oh, yeah. Huh.
Oh. It's a quadruple garage.
Now we're just showing off. Okay, clock is running. 295. Okay, now we can drop some height. Warning lights out, T's and B's all good, fuel, instrument radios, all is good, 295, we've got the next turning point. And so, it's 3 minute 45, so 1 minute 45 we're looking up, that's 2 minutes to go. Next turning point is 221, so turning on to 221. Again, 90 knots, 500 feet, and it'll be a 4 minute point, and we're looking for some weird forests. So actually, it's a long C-looking shape, and then it's the other one that we're looking for as the turning point. So we'll be turning left in that direction. Okay, approaching the turning point, we're turning to 221 is the next one, 4 minute leg, and we'll be overpassing Hellsworth, which is that conurbation. Yeah. So we need to be on the slight left hand side of that. Right, I wasn't far off, so this is 345, we've got 325 that we're behind with, so it's good. Stop, reset, turning, now, turning, clock is running, we're going to the left hand side of that town. There we go. 121. Fuel, instrument, radios, all is good. Warning lights out. T's and P's are in the green. Oh, can't see shit. Normally in a proper cockpit you have an actual stopwatch, physical one, so the glare I can't really see on this. Okay, so next turning point, so we are coming over here. Halesworth is this town. And then we're looking, basically there's a road that will run off. Get over this. You see there's this road, so that's the railway track. So you always look for confidence features. And that railway track is there, coming from left to right. So we are about to cross that, and there should be a road. There's that road running off into the distance. So 225. So I'm more left at the moment because the wind is from the east. Yeah. Forest feature up there. Yeah. And I think it's actually over there, that left-hand one. Okay. So yeah. So we've got this sideways looking forest feature over here. Yeah. And then to the left hand side we've got this weird, there should be like a cutout in it. You see? Yeah. That one there. Yeah. So we're actually going to turn into it. You see that like in the woods there's like a square. Yeah. And that square is in that bit there. There should be water. So there's a water stream going in between, and as we can see, look, stream in between. Yep, 100%. That's our turning point. Right, so we know our next turning point. So the next one is 100 way. 200 feet, so we're going to be turning hard left all the way back to the coast. Another nice house there. Look, it's got an amphitheatre. Why not? Why not? Yeah, why not? Amateur dramatics. Fucking hell, that's huge. Clock is stopped, reset, turning. Turn it to 100. Okay, that's 100, heading straight into wind. Power's coming on. Okay, heading 100, we've got my feature in the far. Fuel is good, we're not bleeding any fuel. Instruments all good. Radio, we don't need to talk to anyone right now. We've got the golf ball over there, that's Sizewell nuclear power plant. Can't go anywhere near that. To the left hand side of that we've got a nature reserve. And what we're looking for is basically a random tower. The confidence feature will see water to the left hand side. That's the water feature there. And then there'll be a wood next to it, which is there where we're heading into. Looks like there's a pig farm right in the middle of that woods over there. And on the other side, basically where we're aiming to, there should be like a little town or a little village. So we are heading the right direction.
Apologies for that. I've just taken a big lump out of a sandwich at the moment for what you call. My apologies. We're on runway 09, right hand, and the background QNH is 1019.
Professional in Norfolk.
Yeah, right hand, yeah, 1019. Oh my goodness, Roger.
I asked him what was in his sandwich.
Yeah, do it. What was in your sandwich? Didn't do my call sign, so he doesn't know.
Cheese, ham, and onion.
Oh, very nice.
Golf Tango X-ray, Golf Tango X-ray, inbound from the southeast, currently over Halesworth.
road that goes straight through the middle of it. I'm guessing it's there on our nose. Yeah, I think I can see it.
I can see roads up here.
Yeah, it is. Actually, we're a bit high at the moment. Let's get down. There we go. Slowly level out there. It'll be even harder to see roads the lower we get. I like flying low. Right. I can see the road. We're on target. Road goes straight through, heads to that teeny weeny village, which is on our sort of on the horizon. Okay, target is found. Next turning point is 2905er. So 2905er turn 90 knots, 500 feet, and that will be a short 2-minute leg to our landing point, which we already know is by the water somewhere over there. Be ready at any second for an engine failure. So right now we have an engine failure right now, we're going into this bit. Yeah. And then we're just going to hope we don't have an engine failure from now to that next bit. Which is fine. And that's what helicopter flying is. Every 5 to 10 seconds I'm looking for a landing spot. Yeah. So this is the turning point. Our teeny weeny village by the coast. It's teeny weeny. 2905er, so we'll be turning back over there. It's a 2-minute leg. Stop. Yeah, cool. So we can turn this away, put this away now. Turning. Roger. Over that woodland bit. I'm just going to track around the wood. Yeah. Hope you don't mind. Oh no. I quite value my life, and I think you probably do as well.
I do quite like
living.
Last station calling Beckles, can you say again please?
Right, so what we're going to do, once we overfly it, I'm going to be doing...
November, good afternoon, visibility 5, on runway 09.
I'm going to be doing a right-hand orbit, because I need to see, I have to do the 5 S's. So a landing site you've never been to, you have to check for the surroundings, shape, size, surface and slope. Yeah. I think I can see it. Which is why we need to do the recce orbit.
If there was engine failure, how long would you have?
1 to 2 seconds, and I'd have to dump this lever right down. Yeah. 2 seconds actually. Yeah. Actually, so we need to land into wind, which is from that direction. So actually, we're just going to treat this as a downwind. I need to overfly really. I need to see where we're landing exactly. Strip, yeah, you can see that's where we're going. We're going to land in that grass bit there, yeah. Cool. Lovely church. Okay, I will be doing a 180 in a minute. Okay, ready for the 180? Yeah, let's do it. Okay. Borderline that seems to be good. Starting the descent. Landing sites. In view. stop over the marshy bit. Okay, we'll be running it for a quick stop. Quick stop, go. That's the power and the wind to help hooking us in. Right. I'll park over here, so away from them. Tails here, right. Okay, uneven ground, so it's going to be a bobbly landing. Just checking the landing. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, governor on, off. Bring it to 420 for cooling, expect the horn.
That signal to say you're losing RPM.
Yeah. Okay, your door can go in the string now before we suffocate and melt, broil. Okay, 420. We're waiting for less than 180 degrees cylinder head temperature. So we can turn the landing light off. We don't need the transponder anymore. Radio, stay on for the moment. We take log off blocks here. .179, go to idle. Once we have stable idle, I can get rid of the clutch. After that, clutch come. 8 seconds.
South now, change your frequency, approach 125 to flight.
Also, off, fuel pump off, strobe stay on for the moment, waiting 150 RPM. Radio going off, our intercom will stay on. Brake coming on, below 150 RPM. So yeah, that's a basic nav trip. Yeah, pretty simple. Off, strobes off.
Whew. Oh. Sweaty Betty.
Ending. Oh, shit.
That's it, nice. Oh my god. I've probably got a massive dent in my forehead.
Just stop.
Yeah, I'll do it. Start. Oh, slide.